Okay, we're about to demonstrate to you a KO Lee tool and cutter grinder. The model B-860, serial number 4410. This machine was built in June 1952. It's a year younger than me. Got a half horsepower, 110 volt ball bearing spindle. Takes wheels with a 5/8 hole. We call this model the knockout model. Comes with a set of centers, spring loaded. It also comes with a Delta uni head, which is an indexing head. It's an all angle head. Comes with the tooling on the cot and the index plates. I'll show you in a minute. This grinder has a universal table. I think they all did. The indexing plates that come with the uni head are 12, 24, 26, 28, 32, 33, 34, and 36. All cutter grinding shops have them. And I printed out a book on it too, I've seen online. It's a good running machine for its age. It's got the 2-speed table.
Let me move in, but I can't really see it.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
It's got the lower here for a finer. This here should be taken apart and fixed. I know there's a bushing or something in there because it's loose. But it does, it works. You got the fine adjustments for the table here when you've got it on an angle. The ball bearing half horsepower motor. The forward and reverse on the spindle.
Quiet as a mouse.
Goes up and down, in and out, left or right. Got the increments on the side over here for your degrees.
You shut that light off?
Can't really see them, but they're there when you stand on top of it.
I can see, you can see him.
It's 110 volts. You can do hand mills, shell mills, milling cutters. What you need is a finger assembly on here. This is the diamond dresser I put with it. A finger assembly for the centers if you're going to grind milling cutters on an arbor. Comes with some tooling for the work head. All number 9 Brown and Sharp taper. Those are factory index plates. Comes with a couple of homemade ones. You move that around like that, looks like shit on the video. Okay? Well, that's it. The basic tool and cutter grinder. We're Rumford Supply and Machinery Company. We're on 263 Pine Street, Seacock, Massachusetts, 02771. Our phone number is 1-800-592-5912. The machine is dirty, it needs to be cleaned and painted. We don't sell junk, we've been in business for 56 years. Check out our eBay auctions, we got some nice stuff on there. And what I like to say, we own what we sell. Thank you very much.